Good afternoon and welcome to Maths by Gary Maths Tutorials. Today we're taking a look at the determinant of a matrix. We're going to be finding the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. So first of all, what is the determinant? So the determinant is a number that can be calculated from a square matrix. So a square matrix is a 2 by 2 matrix, 3 by 3 matrix, etc. So we're going to start with a 2 by 2 matrix. So we'll take matrix A and we'll draw out a 2 by 2 matrix and we'll label it A, B, C and D. So the determinant of this matrix is denoted by the A and then a line at either side, and this equals AD minus BC. So what we're doing here is we're multiplying A times D and then we're minusing B times C, and this will give us a number. So if you think about it, A and D we're timesing in this direction, A times D, and we're minusing in this direction, B times C. So A times D minus B times C, and that will give us the determinant. So let's take a look at an example with some numbers, and all we're going to do is the exact same as what we've done here, and we'll get the determinant. Okay, so we'll take a look at matrix A, and we'll call it 6, 3, 5 and 2. So as on the previous page, we want to find the determinant. So A equals AD minus BC. So all we're doing is A times D minus B times C. So 6 times 2, 6 times 2. Now it's minus everything B times C. So I have the bracket here. It is easy to get mixed up with minuses and positives. So if we place the minus and then it's B times C, so 3 times 5. And that gives us 6 times 2, positive 12, minus 3 times 5, which gives us 15. 12 minus 15 gives us minus 3. Therefore, the determinant A is minus 3. And that's all we're going to do today on 2 by 2 matrices, and we'll take a look at some other ones later on. Thank you very much for watching Maths by Gary, and remember you can follow us on Twitter, Maths by Gary. And if you enjoyed the video, you can like and you can also subscribe. Thank you very much.